Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a ChatGPT account on mobile. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store. Now let's just go ahead and find ChatGPT. All right. Just hit on find or the search button. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead and go to ChatGPT and hit on install. All right. So once it's installed, go ahead and tap on open to open it up. And once done, just go ahead over to the top right, tap on sign up, and then you can go ahead and continue with Google or just sign up from here using a different email. Okay. Now let's say, for example, I'm just going to be using continue with Google. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and select any connected Gmail accounts from the selection. Okay. Say, for example, I'm just going to tap on this account. Just going to tap on it. Going to wait for it to load, and then it's going to open up a web browser just for authentication. All right, just type down the email one more time, hit on next, then just go ahead and enter your password and hit on next. And once that's done, you'll be redirected back to the ChatGPT app. Just wait for it to load, and once done, you're good to go. All right. Now, if you want to try ChatGPT Plus, okay, you can go ahead and do so by just going to the description below and simply tapping on this link right here. Okay, as you can see here, as a bonus, we have a promo code, which is GUMY, that we can use later for more discount. Okay, just tap on it. But just tapping on this link, you will get your discount. All right. And if you want to add in more discount, well, we're going to use that promo code. So let's just wait for the Gamsco website to load. And once it loads, just go ahead over to the top right and make sure to sign up using your email or Gmail. And once that's done, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find ChatGPT Plus right here. So just tap on it. All right, for example, for 3 months, and then one slot right here, which is shared with 6 people for as low as $16.99. You can now enjoy ChatGPT Plus for 3 months. All right. If you want a private or solo GPT, you can go ahead and select this option, but the price is pretty hefty. Okay. But if you want that, just go ahead and do so. If not, select the least amount right here. And as promised, have a promo code or a coupon, tap on it. Now enter the promo code GUMMY or GUMY, like so. And then $16.99, hit on apply. That's now going to be $16.65. All right, depending on your region, your discount right here might be higher. All right. Now, if you're happy with that, you can now go ahead and go to payment and just continue with the payment process. All you have to do is just select the payment method. It could be a credit or debit card. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.